So now we are going to discuss about importance of management. Management has five different important aspects. One is it helps in establishing group goals. Second is efficiency of the organization is increased with the help of management. Then it creates a dynamic organization. Another important aspect is it helps us in achieving the personal objectives, and also it helps in development of society. Now here I am going to explain them one by one. So the first aspect is that it helps us in achieving the group goals. Group goals means the organizational goals as well as the individual goals. The individual goals in any organization will be accomplished only when the organizational goals are being accomplished. Okay, so it is very important for various individuals who are working in an organization that they should be working in close coordination with the targets which has been fixed for the organization. All their efforts and activities should be directed towards a particular direction which helps us in achieving the organizational goal. Thus, when the organizational goals are accomplished, it will subsequently help us in achieving the individual goals too. That is the first basic reason that why management helps us in going for the group goals, because group goals will only help us in accomplishing the individual goals of the organization. Now coming over to the second aspect, when we have planned in advance, because management is deciding in advance who has to do what, when and how, so that is a very important aspect. So management helps us in improving the efficiency in an organization. And the efficiency means that it helps in, because we have planned in advance, so it will reduce our wastage of resources, either it is human or physical and financial resources. All will be properly and appropriately utilized. So first thing is it helps in reducing the wastage. And another important thing is it helps us in completion of the work in time and also keeping the costs under control. Thus it helps in improving the efficiency as well as the effectiveness of the organization. Now coming over to the third point, that is it helps in creating a dynamic organization. Dynamic organization is that management helps us in understanding in advance what are the changes which are happening in the society or in the environment in which we are working. There are various types of environment. One is social, then political, economic, technological and legal. So management helps us in understanding the changes which are happening in all these five environments and make the changes appropriately, so that we can keep on working and growing in the changes which are happening in that particular aspect. Okay, so that is, thus it guides the employees how, and moreover it helps us in understanding, helps in making the employees understand what is the importance of the changes which we are going to do, keeping in mind, for example, now we have to resort to online coaching because there is a lockdown into the country or worldwide. So online coaching is being favored by many of the education institutions. So that is why we are going for that, because it is required at a particular point of time. That is the another important aspect. Now moving over to the fourth aspect, that is it helps in achieving the personal objective. Now it helps in achieving the personal objective, that management brings both employees, both the organization and employees in close coordination with each other. And when the organization will earn, individual will automatically earn. If the organization grows, the individual will automatically grow. For example, if there is losses being suffered by the organization, so there is no chance that we have safe working environment or a healthy working environment. There will be a cutthroat competition, people will be thrown out of jobs. But if the organization is stable, it is growing, so all jobs are safe and secure, people will be promoted, people will get training and their growth opportunities are available over there. So that is the another important thing, that management is helping in individual growth only when the organizational growth is happening. This is quite similar to the group goals, that when the organization grows, the individual also grows. So individuals grows in those organizations only which are stable, which are profit making, and which are growing. So that is the another important. And last is, it helps in development of the society. Since management is responsible towards various stakeholders like customers, suppliers, government, then employees, then society, it has a duty towards the society or the customer to provide them good quality goods and services, safe environment, pollution free environment, to provide government the taxes in time. Proper taxes should be paid, not overuse the resources which are available. If that is being done, then management is not only helping the organization grow, but also the society will be satisfied from that organization, and society will contribute towards the growth of that particular organization. That is why we need management, so that the society, the employees, the organization can grow and they can prosper well.